Boya BY-M1 microphone. Beli dekat Shopee RM32.99 sahaja. Unboxing. Dia boleh guna untuk kamera, dia boleh guna untuk camcorder, dia boleh guna untuk phone. So kat dalam ni ada duduk dalam satu bag, warranty card. Okay, manual dia. Okay, nanti bacalah. Dia bagi gula-gula. Ni actual microphone dia. Dalam ni ada bateri LR44, topi microphone. Pasangkan. Ada jack. Ni boleh sambung sini lah. Tapi untuk saya tak guna. Ni dia punya clip. Clipkan dia. Pasang bateri. Okay. So, kenapa kena ada bateri? Kalau guna kamera, kena guna bateri. On kan dia. Tak ada indikator. Inilah dia. Boya microphone. Jom test. Kita buat audio test. First, tanpa microphone. Thanks for choosing Boya. The Boya BY-M1 is universal lavalier microphone which can be used with cameras. Typo. Cameras katanya. Smartphones and other recording devices. Switch. Thanks for choosing Boya. The Boya BY-M1 is universal lavalier microphone which can be used with cameras, smartphones and other recording devices. And I am using one when doing this video. What do you think about it? Is it good or is it not good? I don't know. I can only see this in post, so let's get into the video editing software.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So I have listened to the audio output when I edit this video. I'm very satisfied with this purchase. Long story short, after this I can make more videos, voiceover, product review and many more using this microphone which gives better audio. I would strongly recommend you guys out there to try this microphone, Boya BY-M1. RM32.99, 10/10 sales, Shopee. Get it now or get it on the 11/11 whenever you like. Dan kenapa nak tiba-tiba speaking? Sekali-sekala speaking. Saya masih tak lupa asal usul. Outro macam biasa. Terima kasih kerana menonton guys, girls. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.
Baby, hit it.